But since the shelters were already full, they could only have everyone hide in a movie theater. Because the tornado was getting closer and closer. At this time, an electric tram went completely out of control due to the wind. It rushed straight towards Taylor. Fortunately, he was only pinned under it with his legs. But Kate couldn't move. Various debris flying from the sky made the situation even more urgent. At this moment, an iron frame hit the water tank above. "You need to get inside, I won't leave you," he said. Seeing that the water tank was about to fall, at a critical moment, a piece of wood wedged into the gap. It was Harvey who arrived in time to help. With the combined efforts of the two, Taylor was finally rescued the second before the tank fell. The overflowing water carried the three of them 10 meters away.